This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Everyone's dream home in Tiburon Subdivision, a gated community. This lovely home has an open floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Large kitchen with stainless appliances, granite countertops, gas range, and pantry. Home also has a hearth room with fireplace that looks out into the backyard with an inground pool. Large primary bedroom, walk-in closet with built-ins. Primary bathroom has tray ceiling, soaker tub with jets, separate tiled shower, dual sinks. Upstairs has a loft with 3 bedrooms and bathroom. Outside is an owner's paradise with outdoor kitchen, fireplace, large covered patio, fully fenced backyard. 3-car garage with lots of parking. Also has a circle drive and the house sits towards the end of a cul-de-sac. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.